everyone, my name's Molly. I'm a registered dietitian from Boston, Massachusetts, and I'm the operations manager at an allergy-friendly donut factory called Freedom Bakery. I'm here to tell you how to have a safe, allergy-friendly, happy, easy holiday, and make sure you have no stress when it comes to eating food inclusive. So when it comes to the holidays, if you have someone who's gluten-free or has another allergy, you often end up making multiple dishes, and that's totally fine. But when it comes to gluten-free, there are some things that actually work out that you only need one version, and stuffing is a perfect example of this. Gluten-free bread, by nature, is actually a little dry to begin with, so you don't need to worry about drying it like you would with regular bread. It works out because it absorbs all that extra moisture. It comes out amazing, and no one ever knows the difference. This is a super easy tip. Anything you need to thicken with flour, all you need to do is divide it by 2 and use the same amount of cornstarch. This means you can keep anything that needs to be thickened with flour gluten-free. So this is just a couple of tablespoons of cornstarch. Again, you're going to divide your flour ratio in half for the amount of cornstarch you're going to use. And I'm going to mix it with some water, and it's going to thicken my gravy beautifully. No flour, no gluten in sight. Just beautiful, luscious gravy, so much flavor, so good, and it's allergy friendly. So here's a really great tip about how to make a super easy allergy-friendly dessert. We're gonna make a vegan, gluten-free cake. To counteract not using eggs, we're actually gonna use food science. We're gonna use a splash of vinegar, which is gonna interact with the baking soda and the cake mix and help you get rise in the oven. So here's your gluten-free cake mix, just the dry mix. I've got water and oil. And because it's the holidays, a little bit festive, we're gonna add some pumpkin spice along with some cinnamon and extra ginger, so we're gonna have a spice cake, and some vanilla extract as well. This is just 2 teaspoons of white vinegar. I promise you, you're not gonna taste it in the cake. It's just gonna give you the volume and the rise and the fluff that you would have from eggs or other animal products. So that's going in just with everything else. And you're just gonna mix that up, and we're gonna put it in the oven just like you would a normal cake. It's so good, there's so much flavor, and the texture is on point. If you need a really easy, allergy-friendly breakfast, holidays, or really anytime, instead of using an egg for French toast, you can actually use a banana. So I just have a banana here that I'm just gonna start mashing up, and I'm slowly gonna start mashing in some cinnamon and some brown sugar. And then to make sure it sort of loosens up like a custard, I've just got some oat milk and vanilla mixed here. It's totally okay if there's a few pieces of banana in here. It does not need to be totally smooth. This is gluten-free vegan bread, so this whole thing's gonna be vegan. And just like with French toast, you're gonna dip it both sides, get it nice and coated, and we're just gonna take our nice piece of toast and we're just gonna put it right in, and it's gonna start to sizzle just like regular French toast. And when we flip it, totally caramelized, getting nice crispy edges, totally vegan, allergy friendly, food inclusive, can't beat it.